Welcome to Niga Med Guide. Today we are going to learn tooth anatomy. We have 32 teeth and their roots are embedded in the alveolar ridges of maxilla, upper jaw bone and mandible, the lower jaw bone. We have 4 types of teeth that are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. We have 8 flat-edged incisors, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. These are our front teeth and are used for cutting and biting food. We have 4 pointed and cone-shaped canines, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw, and are used for tearing food. There are 8 premolars, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw, each with broad surfaces and 2 cusps. They are used for grinding and crushing food. There are 12 molars in our teeth, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. They are largest teeth, each with flat surfaces and multiple cusps. Third molars and last molars are called wisdom teeth. So there are 4 wisdom teeth in our mouth, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. Now let's understand the anatomy of tooth. Tooth has 3 parts. The visible part that protrudes from the gums is the crown, and the remaining part that is embedded in the jawbone or alveolar bone is the root. The junction between the crown and the root is the neck, that is surrounded by gums, a soft tissue. In the center of the tooth there is a pulp cavity that contains blood vessels and nerves responsible for sensations such as pain, temperature and pressure. This cavity is surrounded by a yellowish, soft, ivory-like substance that is called as dentine. In the crown region, this dentine is covered by a white, hardest substance in the body that is called as enamel, while in the root, this is covered by a substance resembling bone that is cementum that secures the tooth in its sockets. Let's talk about the blood supply to the teeth. Arterial supply is by branches of maxillary arteries, and these branches are superior alveolar arteries that supply the upper teeth and inferior alveolar artery that supply the lower teeth. Venous drainage is by superior and inferior alveolar veins that drain into the pterygoid plexus and ultimately into the internal jugular vein. Nerve supply to the teeth. Teeth are supplied by branches of fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve, and these branches are maxillary nerve that innervates the upper teeth and mandibular nerve that innervates the lower teeth. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.